you just pull those back, and then bam, you got the clear. All right, I'm back from the intro. ICH3 Tech, and I want to say Happy New Year to you guys. I know I'm a little late. I haven't posted videos for a couple weeks because I've been a little busy getting things together. Like I said before, I got my real estate company. If you follow me on Instagram, link below. Follow me on Instagram. I got real estate stuff going on, trying to get more better on that. And I got a detail business, and also I'm running this business. I just been doing a lot of things to get things changed for the YouTube channel. So stay tuned, a lot of big things for 2022. And I want to say thank you guys, because y'all reached me to 1,650 subscribers. We are almost close to 2,000, but the goal for this year is to get over 10. There's a lot more things I'm gonna be doing. I think there's gonna be I'm pretty sure there's gonna be a link below of this video. It's gonna be a giveaway of the new MacBook Pro. The MacBook Pro is right here. This is the screen for the MacBook Pro, and this is the two screens for the PC I have down the bottom here. You see here in the white. But this video is about the case for the MacBook Pro, for the 14-inch 2021 MacBook Pro M1 Pro chip. I want to say thank you guys, because you got me over close to 4,000 views on it. And this is the reason why I'm shooting this videos, because I see a lot of guys, you guys are buying it. Thank you for hitting that link, because that actually supports me when you hit that link to order those cases. I'm actually going to have something where you could just go to it, be able to shop and everything through there, because I'm a partner with Amazon also, be able to do some of the stuff on there. But this is coming here, just talking about the case. One thing I love about the case is clear, actually shows the color of the whole MacBook Pro. I'm actually thinking about wrapping it, because I do with my detail business wrap cars, so I'm thinking about wrapping that and making it something with my logo and everything else on it. But I liked the clear case, and it was actually pretty thick on there. So actually the keyboard is very nice on it. Actually, it feels the keyboard material on there, I would probably want to see if it could get see if they can make something like almost similar, like I'm really touching the keyboard, because the keyboard on there is nice with using that protection, because actually like crumbs, say if you're eating and you on your MacBook Pro and stuff like that, the crumbs on there, I don't want to get any crumbs or anything in the keys, and get under it and then click, you crushing down the crumbs inside there, so you had to blow it out. That was one of the big things I was looking at on this case. Actually, I think the case is amazing. All the ports was like, reasonable, be able to get to, plug in, no problems. And the case wasn't too thick. It wasn't too out of hand with it. So that was one of the things I was looking at also on the case. And I want to say shout out to the people that brought me that case a little early, so I could actually make that video that you got me close to 4,000 views on it. So I want to say thank you for that. I'm actually going to be doing a lot more of that, actually getting cases, screen protector, and also I do got a screen protector, so I'm going to show that off on the screen protector on that. Actually, it's pretty awesome with the screen protector. Actually, once you lay it on, it looks like it's not on there, but once it's on there, you're like, oh, whoa, wow. So it still get the same color accuracy that I get with the, what it say on the display color. But I'm actually still in the process getting things together for my office. So there's going to be a desk like right here, this bamboo one here. It's going to be here, and that's where the Mac setup is going to be. I'm thinking about having two MacBook Pro, two Pro displays here to run off of that, because that's all I need, because they're 34 inches, which is perfect for two of them to be able to run my business and run everything. And just use this for just streaming and also gaming, because this one is a 4K, so I like to game off of this one. But actually, gaming on this screen is pretty good. But I want to change this screen to a 4K one or something I could get everything on. But I'm actually going to have over here, I'm going to change this screen to ultra wide. So I'm going to have ultra wide here, and then the middle one just have that nice little display there. So I'm actually going to be upgrading this display, and you see the IKEA desk with the mic, because I play PS5 and everything else. But scratch all that. Went off track, my bad. But like having this case is actually amazing. If this company could reach out to me and send me like other more cases to, like review and, take a look at, leave a comment below that, I'm actually gonna buy these. So if you wanna see more cases of these, ones, different colors, what will look like with matte, what will look like this, I'm gonna just buy like a whole bunch of them and just review all of them on there so you get a better idea. Like, so once you order it, you know what it look like on your MacBook Pro. I'm going to try and get one for a 16-inch display also, the 16-inch one, but the one I got was a 14-inch, fully spec'd out, pretty much almost fully spec'd out. I just got a terabyte, 16 gigs of RAM, and then I got the, the cord that's a lot faster. And reviews coming on for that, just like how I use it for editing, how I use it for my daily life, also stuff like that. Be honest with you guys, if you edit, if you're a video editor, you do a lot of schooling and stuff like that, and you want to game a little bit, you can game on there. Actually, it's really awesome gaming on there. So once you get a controller, you can just game like crazy on it. But the biggest thing I loved about this case was it was clear, and it was something I could get real fast. I didn't even know it was going to come fast. It said it was going to come a little after, after the fact. But that is actually a really great case. And I just wanted to make this video just to show you like what the case looked like. You can probably see some flows going through already on the case, like the ports outline, how thick the case is, and everything like that. Because this case is not that big. I got it plugged up right now to the monitor, so I'm gonna unplug it, and there, so you guys can get an idea like where the port. So you still get your fans there to come out, so you'll see there. One thing I like is, it's still keep that subtle look. The pads on there is pretty good. So I'm like I said before, there's gonna be probably already something already going through this. Me, saying the ports, but I wanted to give you guys like an idea, like how the ports and stuff, and like leaving the screen protector on here is actually pretty awesome. And I put one of these up there. I actually was going to do a black one, but I put the white one there, just to protect the privacy of my screen, because I don't know how that works. But you guys can see the screen protector is on there, and I actually took videos of the screen protector being on there, so you can get an idea. So you can see right there, it's up on there. Screen protector look very nice on it. You can see the glare, but when you're like looking at it and using it, it actually look awesome on it. So this is really nice. But like, this is what I was talking about with the keyboard. I know I just did a quick review over it, like swam over it. It actually go all the way through a set, one part, and it actually for like crumbs, stuff to get on the dust and everything, it actually keeps it really clean. The only thing that's different is like, it feels a little rubbery when you're typing, but typing on it is actually pretty awesome. I don't have any problem with it, using it, especially like how thick it is on there. About, you can see how thick it is on there, and it's real easy to actually lift up the case. Like, I'm gonna just use my pinky finger and just lift it up. I just gotta get a better grip, I just want grip. It's really easy. It's magnetic, so you still keep the same flow of it. So like, I wanted to keep this same color, same look and everything else like that. But I kind of like it because it's clear and it actually don't yellow. Like, because I sanitize this. You should see the sanitize wipe there. I sanitize this a lot, so you'll see that on there, like me sanitizing it. One thing I say is take the case off sometimes. Just give it a little, clean off the inside, because you probably get, I don't know if you can see, but there's slight little dust under it. And it's real easy to take off because there's prongs up top on here, and on the front end of it, there's prongs that you can take it off. So it's real easy to take off. You just pull those back, and then bam, you got the clear case off. So you see how clear that is. You can see me through the camera, through it, and then you can just actually just give it a quick wipe off, just to get all the dust or whatever you had on there off. If you want to give it a nice little sanitize, clean through, because these vents do provide a little bit of airflow so this won't get so hot. But other than that, it's actually really easy to snap on. So you just basically take the prongs, make sure they're connected there, and then you just go back here in the back of it, and you just, I think you should be able to hear it. Let me see if you can hear it. Let's see here. And actually, I got a game I'm going to be playing. I was playing Halo on a PC, so I got a stream on that. I bite my tongue a lot, so you're going to see that on there. So, you want to start from the back first. Hear that? So that could clip on, and then you just basically just come in the front, and it just clip right on, and then you be good to go. And there's prongs right there on the corners, both corners. You probably can't see it because it's clear, but there's a prong right there and a prong on the other side. And then in the back of it, there's two clips. You probably can see, yeah, how it goes over the back of it. That's, everything on this MacBook Pro. And also you got an your air vent right there, because that's where your vent is on both sides. So this really is really good ventilated. It is really nice and ventilated on this laptop with everything. But sorry about that. I had to put everything because it's gonna connect back to get that to read that, yeah. And then you can just shut it. If you got a keyboard or anything, you just set it up and just play off it. But you got to have it plugged in order for the screen to be able to stay on there. Because if you got it unplugged, it would not go on there and stay on the screen. Because the whole point of it is, I guess, so it won't drain it, and I guess more power coming to it would get to the display. But I know was talking, blabbering about it. But this is just a video, this part 2 of the one of the best cases for the MacBook Pro 14-inch. To me, I feel like it's one of the best cases. It's actually pretty awesome. Usability, not too hard. I actually dropped it a few times with that case on. The case didn't break. It was actually pretty cool still. No problems. And like I said before, the keyboard is amazing. Still could use the keyboard like regular. And I feel like it's comfortable because it's protective still. So no dust or dirt would get into my keyboards. That was the main thing was when I had my old MacBook Pro. I had a layer over it. I had a black version of it, and I had I think the casing was blue, but I actually got rid of it. I still think I still got the casing, but for my older MacBook Pro 13-inch with the track bar, not the track bar, I just had the LED bar up top. Going to this one, from that one to this one is actually amazing. Like I said before, I'm gonna do a video on the MacBook Pro 14-inch, like usability, how I've been using it, how it works, everything. So stay tuned for that. I just was getting everything together. So this video is, like I said before, was just me talking about the casing. I'm gonna have a link below for all 3 cases again, still on here. So if you want to buy it, hit that link to actually support my channel. And I want to say thank you guys for hitting the links and hitting in the ordering. I want to see if you can on my Instagram, hashtag ICH3Tech, on hashtag it. And my Instagram is down below, and it's still the same name as here. So if you look up ICH3Tech, all one word, not a space in between ICH3, just all one word, you'll see it pop up. It come up. And you guys, I want to see you guys, if you buy it, take a picture, send it to me so I can see who's doing it. And like I said before, and one thing, since you guys watched to the end of it, I am doing a special giveaway of the MacBook Pro, and it's really easy to enter. There's going to be a link down below here to the raffle, and all you do is just pay $10 just to get in. So my raffle is going to be just $10 to get in for this one, and you'll be able to win this MacBook Pro here. I could buy it new, or this is the one I want to give away to you guys. This MacBook Pro, it comes with the casing, the clear casing, the screen protector, everything all on there, already set, ready to go. And I also might throw in a 2 terabyte external hard drive that you could use if you're doing any video editing and anything else to go. So this is basically the creator setup giveaway I want to do for my channel, and this is what we're doing for 2022, is things to help out someone else to be able to get something they want only for a simple price. The reason why I'm doing this is to support my channel, and also we'd be able to do a lot more giveaways like this, a lot more things. And the PS5 giveaway is still going. So if you guys are ongoing guys was here from the PS5, I'm still doing that. It's so hard to get one. And I've been trying so hard. The guy I had was doing the giveaway for that. I was going to get the PS5 for him so I could give it away. He actually no longer got the PS5s anymore. I guess he did something. I don't know what's going on, but he don't get it. I can't get them from him. So I've been trying to call around other places, even trying to, go when they said there's PS5s and just trying to get in there and get it. But it's just so tough to get it. I just don't have, I'm coming out of my own pocket. It's just like, it's so tough to get it because I want to buy it for not the overpriced, just the retail price, because it's coming out of my pocket. But this MacBook Pro, I am doing a giveaway. So there's going to be a raffle link down below where you go straight to my page. It's going to be a page that you can go to and be able to win the MacBook Pro. I'm doing it probably for a month and a half. By March or by February, the end of February, March, beginning of March, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway and I'll be shipping out to you. So I'm doing US right now to ship out, may do overseas. I'm just working on that so I can get all that stuff because I don't know how much it costs to ship out there. But we're gonna be giving that to you, that same version I got, the terabyte hard drive, 16 gigs of RAM, and the processor with the M1 Pro. So it actually is really usable, really good on it. So if you're starting your YouTube career, there's going to be a link below. And I want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you. More things is coming for the channel. More things is coming. I just want to say, sorry about the time that I was doing everything. I was just getting things together. That's why I wasn't dropping video after video. So this year, you will see that a lot. This is the first one, and then you're going to see a lot of gaming stuff coming on. Be dropping in between there because I do other businesses. So I'm just going to put some content on here for you guys. And I'm going to do a lot of content with this stuff with the MacBook Pro, giveaways, also, everything. So thank you guys for watching. Thanks for supporting the channel. Love you guys. And let's go hit the road to 10,000 subscribers. Go share to everyone. Go share to your friends and everything else like that. Because there's going to be a link below to get you a chance to win you a MacBook Pro 16-inch. 16, it'd be 16 or 15-inch. I mean 14-inch. Those are the two. But I'm going to put this one on. This is the one you're going to win. So thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit those links down there to support the channel.